When my husband goes out of town, she will be staying with her grandmother or mother. I will no longer be parenting her here since she doesn't want me to do anything for her, and I will not until her attitude changes. I said that maybe she needs to go back to therapy and her mother and dad agreed. I told her once again that I know she has a mother and doesn't need another one, and that was never my goal to try to come in and replace her mom. I just wanted to be a parental figure. My husband did apologize for not having my back and not controlling this behavior before. I said that I may not be her mom, but I am her father's wife, and I need basic respect. She doesn't have to like me, but I won't tolerate her disrespect. They both asked her to apologize for what she said, but she scoffed and rolled her eyes. She stormed off and her mother and father went after her to scold her. We also agreed to go to family therapy. I told them that I will not be asking her to do things with me, like go to the mall or look for a birthday present.